Welcome back to my channel. Today we're just doing a very short unboxing. This is for a YSL card holder that I just got from Farfetch by way of YSL or Saint Laurent boutique in New York. This is how the item came packaged, and right here I'm just breaking the seal that Saint Laurent packaged it in, and yeah. And this is the box that it comes in, which most leather goods from Saint Laurent come with the box. So you can count on that pretty much from anywhere you buy it from. These are the care cards here. I always leave them there. I never open it. And this is the dust bag that it came in. And this color that I purchased was color number 9906, and it's specific to a bag that I had, which is why I wanted to get it in the first place. But this is the end of the unboxing. If you have any questions, comment.